Hi, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I'm going to show you how to make sweet potato hash. That's right. Kind of reminds you of corned beef hash, except this is sweet potato hash. For all those who don't want to eat the white products, you know, white potatoes, here's one for you, okay? And then we're going to turn it into another item later on. But first we're going to start with just baking the sweet potatoes. Alright, I'm going to tell you. I'm not going to keep you in suspense, okay? We're going to turn it into sweet potato turkey hash. I don't know if I can cut that any shorter, but don't worry about it. My editor will cut that name down shorter, I guess, okay? So we're going to start with baking the sweet potatoes. I already cut them up very, very fine. Let me put the camera down so you can see. Okay, here they are. See, very fine, and I also cut up one onion. So let me show you how fine that is. See? Very fine. Okay? I can't get it. Ah, there we go. Alright, so we're going to bake it. I put some olive oil on it and rubbed it all together with some salt and pepper, okay? And then I oiled this tray that's going to go in the oven. It's a flat pan that goes in the oven. So what we're going to do, I'm going to adjust the camera down so you can see. Okay, so here we go. So we're going to put the sweet potatoes and onions on the tray. Okay. Okay, let me just wash my hands. Okay, and I'm going to put some more olive oil on the top. And we're going to cover it. Okay, now that we have that all in the pan covered, we're going to put it in the regular oven on 400 degrees, okay, until it gets tender. I'll let you know at the end of the process how many minutes that took, okay? Alright, and we shall be back. Thank you. Okay, so our cut up sweet potato and onion is out of the oven. It baked in the regular oven on 400 degrees for 1 hour. You can also do this in the air fryer oven if you choose. Same temperature. Your time will be less. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. I want it to harden up. And then we're going to continue on to making turkey hash. Alright? Thank you. Bye-bye. Not bye-bye, but I'll be back. Okay. I think I want to let it harden up for about, I'd say, let's give it 2 hours. I want it nice and firm. Alright? Okay, and we'll continue in a couple of hours. Thank you. Hi, okay, so I'm back. So the sweet potatoes and onions that we baked in the regular oven has been in the refrigerator for 2 hours. So it should be nice and cold, okay? So what I want to do is, we're going to make turkey hash, but the video is going to be too long. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to show you how to package this portion up. And then we're going to end this segment, and then you can follow me over to the turkey hash segment. and then I'll show you how to incorporate these sweet potatoes with some turkey, and we're gonna make turkey hash. Oh, you're gonna love it. Okay, so let me show you what we're gonna do with this. Okay, so unless you're feeding a family of 6, you wouldn't really need all of this in one setting. Okay, so we want to package it up so that every morning or whenever you want, you can pull out a package, and then you can either add your egg to it, or bacon, or turkey, or whatever meat you want to add to it. Okay, so let's do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this into 6 squares, okay? Well, 6 portions. Okay, that's 6 portions. And I just want to introduce this to you. This says press and seal. I fell in love with it because it is plastic wrap, but the idea is when you pull it out, it has some sticky portions on the edge, and it'll actually stick to a bowl, or when you fold it over, it'll stick to itself. It's a great plastic wrap that they came out with. I like it. So we're going to use this, okay? So I'm going to tear this off, okay? And we're going to put it here. And I have my spatula, and we're just going to scoop up a portion. Remember, we're making 6 packages, okay? And then we're gonna fold it over. Remember I said the ends stick? See how that sticks? Let me show you. 1 second, I'll wipe my hand. Okay, see? See how this end's just stuck to this one? Cool, huh? So when you fold it over, it'll all stick, okay, like that. And then you're going to just put this in a plastic bag. Let me get the plastic bag. And you're going to put it in the plastic bag like so. Okay, see, and that's how we're going to package this up, just like that, okay, until we get to 6 packages. Okay, I'll do one more, and then I'll cut the camera off, and I'll finish it up, and then I'll come back and conclude. The sticky side you want up so that when you fold it over, it sticks, all right? Okay. There we go. Okay, that's 2. Okay, so I'm going to package up 3 more, and well, all 6, and then I'll be back with a conclusion, okay? 1 second. Okay, so I have my 6 individual packages packaged up in here. That I'm gonna, this is the sweet potatoes that we chopped very fine with onions and baked in the regular oven on 400, okay? And it baked for about 1 hour, all right? So now I'm gonna put this in the freezer. So every morning or whenever I feel like it and I want turkey hash, or I want hash bacon, or hash ham, whatever meat you want, you can just pull out 1 package, you cook your meat, You put your meat on the top, and then you drop your egg on top of that, and you got your hash. How about that, huh? With sweet potatoes. Mmm, yum yum. Okay, so let me give you the word of the day. The word, actually, let me just let you see me taste it first. I always taste it so that you can see me. I can give you my honest opinion. Okay, so let me taste it. It tastes good. It tastes like it's a little caramelled. I like it. And it held its firmness. That's the part I really like. Okay. So let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is, okay, so you're pressed for money this month and you don't know how you're going to make ends meet. Alright, so maybe you have a car note. Okay, some people do. In some car notes, they have a provision where you can skip a payment and they add it on at the end. See if your finance company for your car have that provision. And if they do, see if you can utilize that provision for the month that you really, really need some help. And that will help you to catch up on bills, right? Okay, 1 second.